Dear students, let us continue our discussion of question answers of the chapter The Cob and the Anthem. So let's see the first question. What are some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text? Well, in the story we find that there are some signs of approaching winter. Those signs are birds begin to fly south, people want new warm coats, dead leaf fall on the ground. So these were some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text. So moving on to next question is true or false. You have to write true or false against the given statement. The first statement is Sophie did not want to go to prison. This is absolutely false because we find that Sophie wanted to go to prison. Okay, so the next question is Sophie had been to prison several times. Yes, when you read the story you will find that Sophie had the experience of spending his life to prison several times. So this is true. Now the next question is it was not possible for Sophie to survive in the city through the winter. It is wrong because it was actually possible for Sophie to survive in the city through the winter, but the main thing is that he did not want to work. Okay, so this statement is false. Now the next one is Sophie hated to answer questions of a personal nature. Yes, it is also true because Sophie never wanted to answer questions of anything in a personal nature. Okay, now moving on to the next question. What was Sophie's first plan? Why did it not work? Yes, in the story we find that Sophie had made several plans, so that he could go to the prison and to spend 3 months there in the prison. So what was his first plan? Let us see. His first plan was to eat at an expensive restaurant and tell that he did not have money to pay for that. They would call the cops and the cops will take him to jail. But his plan, did not work at all because, the head waiter of the restaurant, stopped him at the, door of the restaurant because the waiter saw his torn shoes, and the waiter came to know that he was not a very wealthy and rich person. So the waiter turned Sophie around and made him leave the place quickly and quietly. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Now let's see the next question. But the cop's mind would not consider Sophie. What did the cop not consider and why? Okay, when his first plan of eating at the restaurant was not working, Sophie, what he did next, he just broke the window glass, and after breaking the window glass, what Sophie did, he stopped. The moment he saw the cop, he stopped running away from there, and cop thought that a person who did the crime never run away from the scene, so he would not be arrested. Okay, Sophie would not be arrested because he was not running at all. Now this is the answer of this question. Now let's see the next question. We have orders to let them south. What is the policeman referring to? Here the policeman is referring to those college students who used to shout on the road. So the Sophie, what he did that so he was shouting like a drunkard on the road, and when the policeman saw him shouting on the road, the policeman thought that Sophie was a college student. Okay. This is the answer of this question. Now the next question is again true or false. So you have to write true or false against the given statement. Here Sophie stole a man's umbrella. It is absolutely correct. We find in the story that Sophie stole a man's umbrella. And then the next question is the owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Sophie. Yes, this is also true. The owner of that umbrella offered the umbrella to Sophie. Okay. So now the next question is the man had stolen the umbrella. That was now Sophie's. Yes, it is also true. The man, in fact, had stolen that umbrella from somebody. Okay, that is also true. Now the next question is Sophie threw away the umbrellas. Yes, when this plan was also not working, Sophie threw away the umbrella. Yes, it is also true. Now let's see the last question. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. What brought about the change in Sophie? Yes, in the last part of the story, we find that a sudden, change came to the mind of Sophie. How it happened. So what happened? Sophie, all of a sudden stood in front of the house where he had spent his childhood, and there he was reminded of his mother, the sweet music he used to enjoy in his room, and the decent life he used to have back then. So all of a sudden, this situation, made him change in his life, and he decided to work and be somebody in life. So this is the answer of this question. I hope the question answers of this chapter are clear to you all. So I am here giving you 2 homework questions. So all of you must write down the question answers along with homework in your classwork notebook, and after doing your homework, so all of you must upload your homework in the homework folder which had already been created in Google Classroom. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.